Welcome to Love Lines. Alright na. Ako naman mag-unbox from TikTok. Item available sa aking TikTok shop. Wow. Okay. 3 items to. Okay. Ayan, dalawang ganon, tsaka isang ganyan. Alright. Isang ganito. Ito. Tsaka dalawang ganito. Ayan. Okay, testing. Wala dito. Alisin sa supot. Naku, buti na lang hindi nagasgas ha. Butas yung supot. At ito, maganda ang supot. Ayan. Pwedeng recycle. Pwedeng recycle. Ayan, this one. Mare-recycle ko yung supot nito. Yung isa hindi maganda oh. Pinit. Okay, tara, let's go. Alright, ayan, naka-arrange na sila. So, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.